Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla door handle. Before you begin, gather all your essential tools. You will need a set of screwdrivers, a specialized trim removal tool, and of course, your brand new replacement door handle. For safety, always ensure your vehicle is parked securely, and it's a good practice to roll down the windows. Remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical complications during the process. This preparation will make the entire replacement much smoother. Now, let's remove the old door handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. A plastic trim removal tool is ideal for this, preventing damage to your vehicle's interior. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. Next, locate and unbolt the old door handle from its mounting points inside the door. Finally, carefully detach the 2 or 3 linkage rods that connect to the handle mechanism, freeing the old handle completely. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully attach the linkage rods to the corresponding points on the new door handle mechanism. Ensure they are securely fastened. Next, position the new door handle and tighten its mounting bolts from the inside of the door, making sure it is snug and stable. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Before putting everything back together, thoroughly test the new door handle's operation to confirm it opens and closes smoothly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips align perfectly and snap into place, securing the panel firmly. Once the panel is back on, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle's electrical system. Perform a thorough final check. Test the new door handle's operation repeatedly and also verify that the door lock mechanism works correctly. Confirm that all other door functions, like power windows and mirrors, are fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.